Okay, so do you have on number 2 on page 140, whatever, 40? Okay. Do you have at least one variable where it's by itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
One variable. Okay, so then I'm going to call for a sub. Who am I going to sub? X. Okay, so wherever I see X in the top equation, I'm going to plug that in. So I'm going to have 2 times, call for a sub because there's X, negative 2y minus 1, close your parentheses, and I still have minus 1 equals 3. Sorry, I missed 1y. Okay, what would I do first to solve? Distribute. So 2 times negative 2. Okay. Minus y. It's still minus. Equals 3. Negative 4 and 1y gives us negative 5y. And I still have minus 2 equals 3. Oh my goodness. So y equals what? Okay. So now we've got y. So we're going to call for another sub. Who do we sub in now? We're going to sub for y. Okay. Which equation do I want to use to solve for x? The bottom one, because x is by itself, right? So wherever I see y this time, I'm going to plug in negative 1. So I would have x equals negative 2, sub, who goes in? Minus 1. Negative 2 times negative 1. 2 minus 1. So x equals 1. Yep, so our final answer, I would write it as a coordinate point, 1, comma. Questions? Okay. I'm going to assign each of you